The Discayas, due to their uncooperative behavior now, there's absolutely no chance that they can even become state witnesses anymore. Dahil because of their statement that they are uncooperative, then they are deemed to be hostile witnesses and can only be charged as respondents and in the future accused, no, in the case of malversation of public funds, falsification of public documents, and all the other crimes that they were a part of. Dahil alam naman ho natin na higit 4,000 po ang sinalihan nilang bids around the country, and kahit anong scheme or scam na nakita natin sa DPWH, kasama sila